Hey my pearls, welcome to this makeup tutorial. So today's look, I'm using Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette. It's a burgundy and brown smoky eye. I hope you enjoy. So first we're going to start off with this NYX Vivid paint, and this is like a blood color, very pretty blood red. I'm just going to use that as a base for our burgundy eyeshadow. So the first palette we're going to go in is the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going to take this first color right here, which is an orangish brown color, and the name is Taza. And we're going to place that on the crease with a large fluffy brush. The second crease color we're going to use out the same palette is called Fez, and this is more like a reddish brown, and we're going to place that up under the color Taza. Okay, so the second palette we're going into is the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette, and we're going to use this contour shade right here called Abby, and we're going to place this in the outer V to define the crease. And for the start of the show is this burgundy eyeshadow out of the Saharan 2 palette. And this one is called Zara. And we're just going to pack that on the whole entire mobile lid. For my eyebrow highlight, we're going to use Blame It On Midnight by NYX. Place it under the eyebrow. So we're going to take this gold Milani pencil and we're going to place that on the waterline. I already added some gold glitter liner and black liner and lashes. So we're going to go back into this burgundy shade and we're just going to put this on the lower lash line and blow it out. For concealer to highlight our face, we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Deep. And we're just going to place that under the eyes, on the nose, cupid bow, forehead, and under the bottom lip. To set those highlighted areas, we're going to go ahead and use Topaz by Ben Nye, and I'm just going to use a beauty blender to blend it all out. I do not like to bake, I just like to pat it on and blend it out. For my full face powder, I like to use Ben Nye powder, Sienna and Chestnut mix, and the foundation I am wearing is Fenty in 440. So now I'm going to contour with Abby from the Saharan Blush 1 palette. So for highlight, we're going to use Zara out of the Saharan Blush palette, and we'll place this on the highest part of our cheekbones. For the lips, I'm going to use Black Radiance Lip Sculptor in Queen Bee, and also the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in Corrupt Cranberry. And we're just going to place that on the lips and blend it together. And that is going to be our completed look. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next makeup tutorial. Talk to you real soon. Bye.